Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lola. She's a paid actor in this video because she won't stay out of the way. And this is Sherry Sava, author of Love, Light, and Go Fuck Yourself. I want to talk to you a little bit about this concept called entrainment. So entrainment is essentially the idea that we are influenced by the energies around us, right? So Love, Light, and Go Fuck Yourself is all about radical, full-on, total personal responsibility, self-acceptance, self-love, and personal empowerment. Now imagine that you are one of 5 people, you're in a room, the other 4 are extremely disempowered individuals, carrying on and complaining, right? Their energy can very obviously influence yours. Now that's entrainment. Now what we want to do to counteract that, say you're in like this, like a toxic work environment or some kind of toxic dynamic that perhaps is not so enjoyable. The concept of entrainment, and I go a little bit further into this in Love, Light, and Go Fuck Yourself, and specifically how to empower yourself to not even find yourself energetically within these situations anymore. So, entrainment. We're saying that you have this, these 4 people, they're relatively toxic, they're complaining, they're disempowered. You, the 5th person, are not that way. You're not that way. You don't choose to be that way. What you're going to do, following the laws, following the concept of entrainment here, is that you are choosing your energy, you're holding your vibe, you're protecting your peace, and you are not feeding in to what is going on around you. Say that out of the 4 people, 2 are complaining their asses off about something. You are not feeding into that. You're not getting into that. You're not agreeing with them. You're not sitting there entertaining their craziness and their complaining. No, you're holding your vibe. You're like, yeah, no, I have nothing to complain about. No, yeah, I'm grateful about this. Yeah, that's the kind of vibe that you're looking at holding instead of falling into a trap of entrainment that is not to your benefit, that does not feel good to you. So the concept of entrainment, I like to remember this concept when I'm in certain situations or like around certain types of people. Like, keep in mind entrainment. Do not buy into their disempowerment. Do not buy into their lack, their fear, their scarcity, their complaining. Do not fucking do it. Hold my vibe. Remember entrainment. Hold my vibe. Take a deep breath. Get grounded if I must. Shake it off if I must. All of that. Imagine blue light coming down from God, removing all of that garbage off of you that is not needed. But the concept of entrainment, you're holding your vibe. You're not buying into the bullshit. You choose gratitude, you choose love, you choose self-healing, self-development, self-growth. You choose not to complain, you choose not to play small, you choose not to buy into fear, lack, and scarcity. Hold your vibe. And sometimes, I will tell you, and I've read about this like within a psychology article, that when you have like a label for something like that, for holding your vibe, like entrainment specifically, I would say is like a label. When you have like this word, this label, this thing to describe it, sometimes it's easier to say, okay, remember entrainment in these situations. Guys, I hope this helps. If it did, be sure to head over to Amazon, get your copy, get working on yourself, and further empower yourself. Love you.